We're in Bae City, Gaisano. Kabangkalan na? Kabangkalan na tayo? Bilis naman. I don't think so. Bae City, Kabangkalan. Tingnan natin. Kabangkalan na ano? That pass. Turn right here. Okay. Hindi pa pala. Unahan pa pala. Yung mga wrong turns minsan. Hindi pa pala sa unahan. Ito nakalagay dun Bae City. We don't have this Bae or Kabangkalan. Or Bae City is part of Kabangkalan. So far kanina may Kabangkalan na signage, may Bae City din. Tingnan natin kung ano to, what place is this. Oops. Dumaguete City. Yan, straight Kabangkalan. Okay. We're in Kabangkalan na. Really? 2:01 ETA natin. Still 1 minute short of yung target na oras. I think we can make it. Kabangkalan na pala.